Hey YouTube, it's me, Ashley Angelina, and today I'm going to do a braid and curl tutorial. So stay tuned if you want to know how to achieve this look. Bye guys. Okay, so these are the products I'm going to be using. The Olive Miracle Leave-In Conditioner by African Pride. And I'm going to be using a white tooth comb and Tropical Roots Stimulating Growth Oil, which smells so delicious. It's like a pineapple, basically a tropical smell. Like, it smells so delicious. After detangling my hair, I applied the leave-in conditioner as you've seen in the video, and then I sprayed on the oil, and then I began braiding the hair. After I'm done braiding my hair, I'm going to add a perm rod at the end so it won't be straight ends and it'll be curled instead, and give it more of a curly afro appearance as the end result. Okay, so I'm all done braiding. Oh my god, it was so tedious, but finally finished, guys. Okay, right here I wrapped my edges with my scarf and I put my satin bonnet on so I could sleep peacefully and not be thinking about whether or not I'm gonna mess up my hair. So good night, guys. Okay, I literally recorded this 2 days later because that's how long it took me to dry my hair. But now you guys are gonna get to see the finished result after I take all of this down. So stay tuned. Okay, now that I'm finished taking all my braids down, I got my wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna fluff it out because when you take braids down or any braid out, it just looks, I don't know, stuck together and it's a lot of spaces in between and that's not cute. So I'm going to fluff it out as best as I can and you guys are going to see the end result after this clip. Okay guys, that wraps up my tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous day.